What is everyone watching TNWS channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix headphone jack not working problem in Realme 8 or Realme 8 5G. So before starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing headphone jack not working problem in Realme 8 or Realme 8 5G, so first of all simply you just need to go to settings. So first just open settings and then go to advanced settings and then follow every single step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem if this is software related problem.